Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how I can choose the subtraction command in INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will create the subtraction program. In previous video, we discussed about the addition command. Same this logic we will be used for the subtraction. Subtraction command how can take, this is also I will tell you in the cumulative integer. This is integer math instructions. When you click after in this section, you can see this is the addition command and this is the subtraction command. You can drag and drop also, and you can also change it from the program in the window. Double click it on this command, and after here just only where is the addition written, you can write the subtraction sub when you type. After this command will be automatically placed. You can see same logic will be used. This CTU, this counter, first we will make the addition, yani this two C0 and C5 we make the addition, and now we will subtract the C0 from the C5, yani which value comes at the C5, and this C0 it will be automatically subtracted and answer gives you into the D10. So we will download this program into the PLC and make the monitor. It's very simple and easy method. Also you can see now, see this is old value is on the C0, and this is 24 minus 16, answer is how much? 8. And for an example, I am giving the signal at x1, means we are subtracting the C5, so you can see 17. 24 minus 17, answer is 7. Now 24 minus 18, 6. 24 minus 19, 4. So it will be continue which signals come at the x0, and after x1 this will be automatically subtract from the C0 to C5 and answer generates in the D10. And if you like to, for an example, this reset this data, so how can we will write it here, one main internal memory I will be take M0, take no problem, and here we will make one in the basic instruction reset. This command we will be take, and this is C0 is our value coming, right, and click OK, and 1 we will be make it here line draw, and again same this will be take C5, here we will be address the 5 and click OK, and download into the PLC. And now I will press this M0, after our data will be go to 0, right, and again click OK, so remove. Now think about, this is your main signal, this is CTU C0, here is some value I will give. For an example, this is your VFD speed for example, and here is a, for example, 50 speed is running. Now think about, this is 20, 21, 22, yani how much speed, for example this is 31, 35 will be put. 35 speed is running at this D10. You can see this is 35 is ready at the D10, but now I need when my VFD reach at the signal x1, so I like to be reduce my speed. So how can reduce? As we will give the signal at x1, you can see this is now 34. As one more signal giving 33, as I give one more signal 32, 31, 30. How much you like to be decrease the speed, you can give the signal at the x1. and this can be a sensor, this can be a limit switch, or when your motor reaches at the desired set point, after you like to be reduce the speed, you can reduce by this signal. And as it here like to be increase, you can give the signal it here. For example, x0, I will give the signal. You can see now 27, 28. Now it's increasing. It will be first we using the addition. We make the addition, yani plus data. Now it's making the subtract, yani minus the data. How much value at the C0 you can how much subtract from the C0, and answer will be provided into the D10. This is only for I am telling about the subtraction look like, yani this is a calculator, yani this command is working look like calculator, which is live working, which is live giving you data continue. So when you like to be reset this data, you can give the signal at M0, and after you can see this is all value will be goes to 0, and again you can give the signal at x0. After this value will be at the C0, 1 2 3 4 5, its value will be continuously goes at the T10. And when you gives the signal at x1, you like to be reduced. Now 1 gives 11, now 10. How much signals you give at the C5, it will be minus continuously from the C0, and answer provides you into the D10. So hope guys you will be understand about this subtraction command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.